Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best healthy dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rachael Nutrish Dish Premium Dry Dog Food. Rachael Nutrish Dish Premium Dry Dog Food delivers a wholesome blend of beef and brown rice teamed with garden veggies and fruit for your canine companion. Proudly crafted in the USA, this top-notch kibble is free from poultry byproduct meals, filler ingredients, artificial preservatives, flavors, or colors. Just what health-conscious pet owners desire. When you pour a bowl full of this natural dog food enhanced with essential vitamins and minerals, you're not only serving up U.S. farm-raised beef, but also nourishing your pooch with quality protein. We hand-picked Rachael Nutrish Dish as our #1 choice because it rises above the rest with its commitment to real meat, as the first ingredient combined with nutritious whole foods like slow-roasted chicken, crisp carrots, tender peas, and juicy apples. It's a recipe designed to cater to your dog's taste buds while supporting their overall well-being. Dog lovers will appreciate seeing recognizable ingredients they trust without having to worry about hidden additives that don't serve their pet's health. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Healthy Weight Adult Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula stands out as a top choice for dog owners who are conscious about their furry companion's weight and overall health. With real chicken as the first ingredient, it serves up high-quality protein that supports strong muscles without unnecessary fat. The inclusion of garden veggies, whole grains, and fruit in this 30 pounds pack adds a nourishing touch to every meal, making sure your dog gets a full spectrum of essential nutrients. The Healthy Weight Chicken and Brown Rice recipe reflects Blue Buffalo's commitment to canine wellness by promoting an ideal caloric balance. This assists dogs not only in achieving, but also in maintaining an optimum weight for vitality and longevity. Moreover, the exclusive antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits offer additional support for your pet's immune system and oxidative balance, a clear nod towards holistic pet care. At number 3, we have the CRAVE Grain-Free High-Protein Adult Dry Dog Food. CRAVE Grain-Free High-Protein Adult Dry Dog Food doesn't just fill your dog's bowl. It brings a banquet of white fish and salmon straight to their diet, mirroring the protein-packed meals of their wolf ancestors. With 34% high-quality protein for lean muscles and boundless energy, this dog food is crafted without common allergens like corn, wheat, or soy proteins, plus no chicken byproduct meal. It's a grain-free solution that thrives on the power of animal proteins to help maintain a healthy body weight and sustain your pet's vitality. Dog owners who prioritize natural ingredients will appreciate that CRAVE's recipe excludes artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Instead, it opts for wholesome peas as a source of carbohydrates. This approach aligns with our selection criteria for robust canine health, catapulting CRAVE onto our list at number 3. Customers often share stories of their dogs, improved coat shine, and sustained energy levels since switching to this brand, clear signs that quality ingredients make all the difference. At number 2, we have the Portland Pet Food Company Fresh Dog Food. Nourish your furry friend with Portland Pet Food Company's human-grade wet dog food, where every meal is crafted with the same quality ingredients you'd have on your own plate. Knowing that 5% of net profits aid local animal causes can make feeding time feel even more rewarding. It's a top-notch choice for dog owners who want convenient yet wholesome meals for their pets. With this food in hand, you're not just giving them sustenance, you're investing in their health and community well-being. The variety pack takes your dog on a culinary adventure through flavors like turkey and salmon, perfect for enticing picky eaters or boosting nutrition for senior dogs. The individual large pouches are ideal for serving up without mess or stress. Simply open and pour. Active pups joining you on hikes or trips will appreciate the ready-to-eat servings as much as those cozying at home. Plus, the gluten-free options cater to sensitive stomachs, ensuring all dogs get to enjoy a hearty, clean meal devoid of artificial additives. And finally, at number 1, we have the Open Farm Ancient Grains Dry Dog Food. Open Farm Ancient Grains Dry Dog Food is a top choice for pet owners who prioritize both the health of their dogs and ethical sourcing practices. This humanely raised meat recipe harnesses the power of grass-fed beef, offering a rich protein source that satisfies your dog's carnivorous appetite while also supporting muscle development. With its strict adherence to high welfare standards, you can rest assured that the meat in each bag contributes to responsible farming initiatives. The unique blend of ancient grains like quinoa and chia seeds adds more than just texture. It delivers essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, promoting a shiny coat and healthy skin. Pet owners often rave about how much their furry friends love the taste, which is free from artificial flavors or preservatives. Only pure ingredients make it into this formula. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.